Hi, I'm Clifford Brown with Accenture, and we are proud to present the 2022 Pinnacle Minority-Owned Business Excellence Award. Accenture is a professional services firm specializing in cloud and digital security around the world. At Accenture, we employ over 624,000 employees worldwide, spanning operations across 120 countries. Accenture has a strong commitment to accelerating equality for all and creating an inclusive, accessible workplace. The Minority-Owned Business Excellence Award is presented to an outstanding East Tennessee minority-owned business that is independently owned and operated and controlled by ethnic minority group members. This year's winner is working hard to solve a large problem in our community. This year's winner has worked to create a place where individuals can get help with recovery from drugs and alcohol. To date, they have helped over 2,000 men in their journey to recovery. As an organization, they are working hard to break the stigma of those who suffer from substance abuse and help them gain employment in our community. We are honored to present the 2022 Minority-Owned Business Excellence Award to Rico Hopewell with Hopewell Helping Hands.
Rico, Hopewell Helping Hands. Tell us about what was the spark for this idea and what your company has done in the last couple of years.
So we started in the height of COVID, August of 2020, and there were people being laid off. The guys at my sober living program couldn't find jobs, and we have 30 men there. So a lot of them couldn't find jobs. A lot of them were struggling with employment, paying their rent and things like that. So I just had a great idea. I went on Facebook Marketplace and I purchased an S10 and a pressure washer, and I made a post on social media and said, we are now pressure washing. And it just took off from there. Yeah, and to date we've had over 300 jobs we've completed outside of pressure wash. We do a whole lot.
Tell us about your employees.
Yeah, I have several employees. I've had several employees as well too. They're in our men's house sober living community. They have a less than perfect background, but I want to give them an opportunity to work and be employed and make some money and help our community. They come from all backgrounds of life, and what I realized when we started, they had so many skill sets. We have painters, carpenters, electricians, welders, and I was like, oh, okay. So yeah, they are really, really great guys. They're really structured because we give them structure within our program. They love what they do. They love being a part of the community. They love making things look good, and they love rebuilding and mending things that were broken.
2 years out, you look at them and their evolution. What comes to your mind?
Just grateful. I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful. I get emotional sometimes when I see them. Some of the men come in with just nothing, like with nothing but the clothes on their back. That's all they have. And when they start working, they stay sober, they get a paycheck, they get their driver's license back, they get a car. So it's a process, and every milestone, I just get so overwhelmed. I don't let them see me cry much, but I just get really overwhelmed with seeing their success.
It strikes me that in this time of COVID, we have been searching for hope. That's your last name.
Yeah, giving hope, and I hope I do it well. That's what I hope I do. And just to give these men hope as well, because they've been hopeless. Society had shunned them. They were ostracized, but somebody believed in me and my own personal journey as well. So I want to give that to them, what somebody did for me.
What is your future for your company?
I can see us being one of the most sought after contracting companies in our area. I can see us having 30 to 40 employees. I can see us building Knoxville and making a better city, not only for the men to live in, but also other people that's going to be moving here, because Knoxville is growing. And so for people to move here, to live here, to work here, and to play here, and have a really nice place to call home or call their business.
Anything else that I haven't asked you that you think is important to point out about your business, or what you hope will be the impact of this award?
Well, I hope the impact of this award will show the community that people can recover from substance use disorders. People do recover. I'm a living testament, and I hire men and potentially women in the future who are in recovery and who want to work, but they have been turned down because of their background or all sorts of things. So I just want to encourage people to just give people chances. That's my hope for our community.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Jen Simmons here again from U.S. Cellular. I'm in awe of the passion and vision shown by the winners of this year's Pinnacle Business Award. U.S. Cellular is proud to directly help local businesses thrive by providing wireless and smart technology, high-speed internet, fleet management, and data security on an advanced, reliable network. Our customers inspire us every day. As we reflect on today's stories, remember that we are all invested in each other's success. Get to know the businesses in our community, reach out and collaborate, and make the most of this amazing environment. Together, we can continue to drive prosperity and growth in our region. Congratulations to all of the winners.